Good morning. Welcome to One Tip a Day by Hariharan. Today we are going to see red receipts on or off. If a person is going to send you the message, normally they will be able to know whether you have read it or not by seeing the two tick marks on the screen. You switch it off, the sender will not be able to know whether you have read the receipts or not. How to do that? Open WhatsApp. We'll come to the main screen. From there, touch the three dots on the right top. Go to settings. In settings, go to accounts. And in accounts, go to privacy. When you go to privacy, you will see a thing called red receipts. Here I have put the red receipt off. The person sending the message to me will not know whether I have read it or not. And if you put it on, the person sending the message will know whether you have read it or not. So now I am going to switch it off. Red receipts is now off, so the person sending the message will not be able to know whether I have read it or not. And here other settings also I will explain. There is a last seen button on the top. If you touch it, you will see last seen by everyone, by my contacts or nobody. If you say nobody, nobody will be able to know whether you are online or offline. If you say only my contacts, only the person in your contact will be able to know whether you are online or offline. Everyone means everyone will be able to know whether you are online or offline in WhatsApp. And there is a tab called profile photo. Normally we upload profile photo which is visible to everyone. You can change it over to my contacts, or you can also change it over to nobody. If you change it over to nobody, nobody will be able to see your profile photo. Now I am saying everyone so that everybody can see my profile photo. And the status. If you say only my contacts can see my status, only person in your contact can see your status. My contact except the people you have blocked means you can block the people who cannot see your contacts. Only share with people you want them to know your status means you can select the people you want and they will be able to only know to see your status. Others will not be able to see your status. So I am discarding the changes because I want everyone to see my status. And there is about. About is something related to your information you have shared. In the profile section, whether you want everyone to see your profile or only my contacts, or you want nobody to see your profile section, you can select it. And even you can adjust the groups. The groups, who can add you in the group, whether everyone can add you or only the people in your contacts can add you, or my contacts except the person who are blocked can add you in the group. So this is regarding the group settings. And live location, I have made earlier video. So you want to share the live location, you can choose the people whom you can add. And there's a blocked contacts. Suppose you don't want to receive message from certain people, you can select the person and block them. So here you will be able to see the person you have blocked And if you want to add somebody to the blocked contact list, there is an icon on the top right side. You can go and add plus there, choose the contact you want to block, and once you add the contact you want to block, it will come in the blocked list so that they will not be able to interact with you or send you any messages. You want to unblock it, go touch them, and you will get unblock symbol, so you can say unblock. Then that contact will be unblocked and they can start sending you messages. I hope you would have understood the settings. So, Hariharan signing off on behalf of Mind Tuners. Have a great day. Bye.